Welcome to Guider Globe. Students, those who are preparing for bank clerical cadre exams, bank probationary officers, including State Bank of India exams, staff selection commission exams, you may have to write a test of English language. Bank exam means 30 questions will come. Staff Selection Commission CHSL and CGL means 25 questions will be coming. Today's topic for discussion is direct speech, indirect speech. Generally in the exam they may convert direct speech into indirect speech, or convert indirect speech into direct speech, or sometimes they will convert as per its criteria. That means you should know which is a direct speech, which is an indirect speech. Normally 99% direct speech. How to identify? Direct speech will be within inverted commas. He said, I am eating bread. B-R-E-A-D. This is a direct speech. Within inverted commas it have come. Moreover, he is telling as if you are in that situation. This is direct speech. How to convert this one into indirect speech? He said, there is no change. That I am. Here it is in past tense. Said. Say, said, said. There are three forms of verb, V1, V2, V3. Say, present tense. Said, past tense. V3, past participle. He said that I am. It will become he was eating bread. This is how it will be converted. This is called indirect speech. Okay. He said, I am going to market. Just like previous sentence, just to change. He said that he was going to market. This topic is very important. 5 questions will be coming in direct speech and indirect speech. So direct speech, indirect speech are any grammar type questions. You must be strong in parts of speech and vocabulary. Today's topic for discussion is direct speech and indirect speech. What are the basics? If you are preparing for banking or government recruitment exams, grammar forms an important section in your exam. You can expect to see direct questions on direct indirect speech in all exams related to SSC, be it CGL or higher secondary level, stenographer or others. You may also find that your knowledge of the rules of reported speech is tested in phrase replacement or error spotting type questions in the question of banking. In the case of banking, they may not directly ask direct speech, may not, that is what we are telling, may not ask directly. Instead, those questions may be appearing in spot the error also. Insurance and other exams like IBPS, PO, clerk, SBI PO, SBI clerk, RBI, IBPS, RRB, LIC, assistant accounts officer, NICL, AO, accounts officer, etc. In SSC exams where there are direct questions to convert direct speech into indirect speech and vice versa. You cannot afford to skip or make mistake. That is, if you skip this topic, your marks will not be that much because this is a scoring topic. You cannot afford to skip. Don't do mistakes. There is no scope for error in banking insurance exam where you have to attempt error spotting, phase replacement, etc. So this is an important topic which you note. Even though direct and indirect speech can be very tricky for some, you don't need to worry at all. This detailed article on the basics of direct and indirect speech will help you conceptualize, that is, you can understand the topic very quickly. Read on to learn the rules for converting direct indirect speech, spotting errors in reported speech, sentences, etc. What's more, by the end of this article, you will be able to write. Don't write it 2 times. You will be able to write flawless without any mistake, and letters too. That also you can do. Difference between direct and indirect speech. Case 1. The prosecutor. Tell me exactly what he had told you. Repeat his words. This is what prosecutor in the court is asking. What the witness says. He said, I am in my house now. This is what exactly he told. Case 2. The prosecutor. Tell me what he had told you. The witness. He said that, because this is past tense, he was in. What will happen to my house? My house means it is mine. But it was telling about that witness. No, that his house now will become then. This is case 1 is direct speech. Case 2 is indirect speech. This is the difference. In case of 1, the witness is repeating the actual words of the speaker, and this kind of reporting is called direct speech. In the case of 2, the witness is reporting what the speaker has said, matter, that is contents, and it is known as indirect speech. Direct speech, I will become he. In the above, he. If it is pertaining to a lady, it will become she. Am, that is, this is referring to the previous sentence only. Am has become was. In my house, in his house. Now will become then. This is how direct speech is to be converted into indirect speech. Following are some golden rules and easy steps to convert direct indirect speech. Note then, tense of the reporting, that is, who says, whether it is in present tense, he said, he says, he will say. So you can understand past tense, present tense and future tense. A reporting verb you see. Tense of the reporting verb to decide the tense of the indirect speech. He said. Past tense. He says. Present tense. He will say. Simple future tense. So identify the tense. Change the time and place to indicate the actual time and place meant by the speaker. Actual time and speaker we have to. Now. Present tense means now only it will come. Past tense means now will become then. Use the appropriate pronoun. What is pronoun? Raman, Krishnan, Sundaram, Mani. These are all nouns. He, she, everyone. Okay. No one. They. These are all called pronouns. Use the appropriate pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun replaces a noun for the subject and the object. Use the proper structure, word, order for the sentence. Now let us consider these steps in detail one by one. Deciding the tense and conversion of verb. Case 1. June said, I go to the gym every day. This is past tense. Say is the verb which conveys the action of speaking. In case 2, reporting verb, say is in the past tense. That is, in the case of 1, it is a past tense. Said, says, present tense. In case 2, the reporting verb is in the present tense. How we have to convert? June said that I go to gym every day. All the verb must be in the corresponding past tense if the reporting verb. I go to gym every day. June said that she went to the gym every day. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, tense is not changed. June says, that is present tense. I go to the gym every day. That means June says that she. June is a lady. So, she go, you should not put present tense, singular, he, she, it, yes to be added. That is, June says that, says is here, no change, present tense, simple present tense. I go to the gym every day. That, you add that. I will become she because it is lady, she. She goes to the gym every day. This is conversion. What about future? June will say, I go to gym every day. That is, June will say that, okay, she goes to the gym every day. This is the correct conversion. Okay. Some tense changes. Direct speech. There are some types of tenses. Present tense, present continuous, present perfect. Perfect, how to identify? Has, have, had. If it comes, it is perfect. Present perfect continuous, has been going. Then simple past, past perfect. What is the example for past perfect? Had eaten, had done, had slept, had been going. Past perfect continuous. She was going. That is past continuous. Similarly, simple future. Future perfect continuous. Such types of tenses are there. One must be familiar. Present simple. She volunteers for Greenpeace, he said. He said is in the past tense. But inside what it is? Inside within inverted comma, it is present simple. How you will convert? This is past tense. That is, he said that. Indirect speech you had that she. Volunteers is present tense. Change that one into past tense. She volunteered for Greenpeace. That is how you have to convert. Volunteered for Greenpeace. Present continuous. The kid said, Tom is chasing Jerry. Tom is chasing. Present continuous. Here, this is reported speech. Here it is a past tense. That means I have to convert everything into past tense. He is chasing. The kid said that Tom was chasing Jerry. This is about Tom and Jerry stories. Present perfect. He said, I have done my job. That is, how to convert? He said that. He have done will become had done, because past tense should come. Had done. My job will become his job. Present perfect continuous. I have been living there since 1991, the old man said. That means the old man said there will not be any change. The old man said that I will become he. Have been, it will become had been, living there, will not change. Since 1991, that also there will not be any change. Past simple, that is simple past. You did not return your book yesterday, said the librarian. The librarian said that, okay, did not return. How it is to be converted? He had not returned your book. It will become his book. The next, yesterday. Yesterday will become previous day. Today will become that day. Tomorrow will become the succeeding day. Okay, remember this one. So he had not returned his book the previous day. This is how you have to convert. Past continuous. The lady was going to the church. The witness said. How I have to continue? The witness said that. There will not be any. That the lady here was going. Past continuous is there. Just to simply convert into past perfect continuous. Here side by side we have given what you have to do. The lady had been going to the church. This is how was going. Had been going. Convert it. Past perfect. Meeta said. Past perfect. Meeta said, I had finished my work. Meeta is a lady. So, Meeta said that I will become she. Had finished my work will become her work. I had been reading a book. Past perfect continuous, said the man. That is what you have to do. The man said that. Here what is to be noted? No change to be. Past perfect. Past perfect continuous. Don't change anything except I should become he, like that. The man said that he had, don't put had been reading it. Double had not, nothing here. Had been reading a book. Reading a book. This is how. Modal verbs are also changed to the past form. What is a modal verb? Could, can, will you, shall you. These are all called modal verbs. Okay. Will, shall, could. These are. He assured that I will be there. Assured. Past tense. That he assured that he would be there. We have to convert like this. Changes in modal verbs. Past tense, if it is in past tense, how you have to convert? Will become would, shall, would, exception. In reported questions, shall changes to should, can. If it is in past tense, how you have to do? Just once again. Changes in modal verbs. May, possibility, I may come. What is the meaning of I may come? My coming is not confirmed. It may be yes or no. May changes to I may come. He said that within inverted comma, he may come. How I have to convert? He said, he said, I may come. This is past tense. Just you put he said that I will become he. May. Convert this may into past tense. That is might come. Like this we have to convert. May. Possibility changes to might. I may not be there. He said that he might not be there. Just like the previous example. Here may. One is a possibility. Another is permission. May I go? You may wait outside. That is permission. Here what you have to do? The officer said that he could wait. So you remember these two differences. Okay. He could wait there. This is for permission. This is about possibility. I may eat. I may go. I may play. Plus, you may take this pen. That is permission. That means the officer said that he could take the pen. Must. Must is to be changed as had to. I must practice hard. I must practice hard. She said that within bracket, I must practice hard. She said that she had to practice hard. Must is retained when indicating speculation. Speculation is just like gambling, share market. Okay. And other this thing. She must have hurt. He was worried. She must have hurt. Might. Might is she must. This is to be changed as she might have hurt. Convert this must into might have hurt. Might. Might is usually retained in the indirect speech. Exception. In reported hypothetical statements, might changes to might have been. He might be there. He might be there. She said he might have been there. So these exceptional rules, focus more on this one. Could, should, would, need. Don't change anything. Thus, I should go there. He said that he should go there. He said within inverted comma, she would come. He said that she would come. No change. Need. Similarly, used to, ought. That means in your notebook, always exceptional rules. You note it separately so that before exam you can revise. Could, should, would, need, used to, ought to. Don't change anything in the past tense. Step 2. Changes in the words expressing time, place and connection. Time, place mentioned in the sentence must be changed according to to indicate the actual time, place. On 21st May 2016, I will come tomorrow, she said. That is on 29th May 2000, she said that she would come the next day. That is tomorrow should become the next day. Yesterday. Yesterday means that is to be converted to the previous day. Okay. Next day. Next day means that is the succeeding day. You are right. The succeeding day. Like that you should note. So we will continue with this topic. Today whatever we have discussed in this video, go through it clearly This is one of the most important topics. Easy mark scoring topic also. We will be coming with some other videos also.